In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT efficiently. 2026 full guide. First, choose the right tool for the job. If you just need a quick fact, a fresh news headline, or a direct link, use standard web search, the globe icon. It pulls from top indexes and gives you an instant conversational summary. When you're tackling something big, like a literature review, an exhaustive competitive scan, or a technical landscape, switch to deep research. It runs many sequential searches, follows link pathways, can read your uploads, and returns a fully cited multi-chapter report. Matching your goal to the right engine protects your monthly allocation and saves serious time. To start deep research, open your main prompt box, click the plus icon, and pick deep research, or type the command/deep research. Before submitting your prompt, curate the sources. Click sites, then manage sites, and list the domains you trust, separated by commas to focus or restrict the crawl to reliable repositories. This is great for prioritizing academic or industry grade materials. If you're on Plus, Team, or Pro tiers, use connectors to link the agent to your authenticated cloud systems like Google Drive, SharePoint, FactSet, or PitchBook, so it can analyze approved internal assets alongside public web content. Deep research begins with a prompt check. If your request is broad, say research advancements in CRISPR gene therapy, the interface will pause and ask steering questions to remove ambiguity, such as whether to prioritize ongoing human trials or focus on ethical and regulatory debates. After you answer, it presents an interactive research plan. Review the steps, tweak subheadings, add constraints, and when it looks right, click Start Research to run it in the background. You don't have to wait on screen. While it works, you can close the window and do other tasks. To review progress, open the full screen report view. The Activity tab shows a live transcript of searches and actions, what it queried, which pages it opened or skipped, and where it extracted evidence. The Sources tab centralizes every citation, from peer-reviewed papers to corporate filings and public links, so you can verify claims easily. When processing finishes, you'll see a structured research briefing, not just a chat bubble. Use the table of contents on the left to jump to methodology, key fact consensus, strategic takeaways, and more. Then export with the header's export/download button to get Markdown, Word, or PDF files ready to share. Finally, mind your allocation limits. Free or lighter tiers include 5 lightweight queries per month using an O4 mini loop. Plus, Team, and Enterprise offer 25 high-tier runs with a flagship GPT 5.2 agent layer. ChatGPT Pro provides 250 high-priority runs with maximum compute depth across O3 and GPT 5.2. Budget your deep runs for the projects that warrant them. That's it. Use deep research to automate background discovery, verify sources, and export fully cited reports, and you'll reclaim hours of manual scanning. Thanks for watching.